Buonasera, Ivan.
Buonasera.
Benvenuto.
Grazie molte. Thank you so much.
Ivan, welcome to Indonesia. It's very pleasing for us having you here in this event, Zapco Indonesia Dealer Gathering. Yeah, what do you see Zapco and ESB as a brand? What is our future, and then what do you think of our market over here as well?
Okay, I think first one,
Yeah.
thank you so much for inviting me. I'm really enjoy the Indonesian people, because the Indonesian people, it's very kind, it's very relaxed. Wow, it's very enjoy the life. That's for that experience. Thank you. Regarding Zapco USB, I think after this meeting, I hope the people will understand better the quality of the product, the passion behind the product, the effort for support the client, the last client. And I think we will see a great future for Zapco ESB.
That's good to hear. What should car audio enthusiasts and dealers in Indonesia expect from Zapco and ESB products in terms of performance and innovation?
Okay, regarding the innovation, specify the HDSP5, in my opinion, is really amazing DSP. Specified because I have some skills other DSP haven't these skills. Specified in the phase control or in the magnitude, the slope in some typology of algorithms. After that, the HDSP5 have inside the player. That is very amazing, because you don't need put another player external. Don't have another conversion. It's directly. The sound is more direct, but have the possibility to connect to optical, to electrical, through Wi-Fi, through Bluetooth. It's really open source. It's not closed. It's really open source. This is great. This is great for improve the sound.
Yeah. And how about ESB? Like we all know that ESB recently they have launched a new series of products like 4000,
Okay.
1000, also 9000.
Okay, regarding the speakers, the 4000 now, in my opinion, is really the game changer, because quality price, it's wow. Demonstration, the last week in India, I have the hope to collaborate with an Indian team, and in Emagoa, what's the big win, full stop. Win the best sound, no discussion, really amazing result. That is the joint venture with Silvio Pupino, Zapco US, and Subini is the owner of our Velocity Pro Audio in India, and me for edge experience. But this joint venture make some new things, and I hope this is replay like in Indonesia too, for make one ideal, one mentality, for make an amazing sound, for see the music, not for listen, for see the music. And this effort is possible only when you have a lot of passion. And ESB, Zapco, I follow this brand now because this brand, I have a passion. I just want to follow the music, the feel, the experience, the emotion. I'm Italian people, I'm really very, like in my hand moving. I love this, okay? Regarding the 9000, that is a hand speaker, full stop. The technology, it's very new one, like a higher, the carbon is very wow. Is the Twitter, the UMA is very game changing. One thing, you have Twitter and mid-range without face problem. That is very important. But that's you find this only when you have a passion, when you want to put a very more far your target.
Even we all know that you are also a very experienced car audio installer in Italy, and also you are an international head judge of EMA in Europe. So how do you see this kind of competition like EMA being held in country like Indonesia can help the improvement or the, how to say?
The business?
Yeah, no, I mean can help the improvement of the whole car audio industry. Like the love of the car audio, the passion in doing car audio in this country.
In this case, it's possible to talk, EMA is really born for bridged the car audio industries to the final client. EMA is a championship, okay? Because EMA is really wonderful because I have one rules for whole world. The file EMA is a tools, is a wonderful tools for all judges in the world, give the same in the same time, judging in the same mode, the position, the stage, the tone accuracy, a lot of things. And this is wonderful because in one time you make a very big world family competition. Okay? Example, last week in India, a wonderful Indian population. When in Europe, for me it's most easy for me. When I have the European final, I see my friends for Germany, Holland, UK, France, Brazil, Spain, a lot of countries, okay? But that is one family only. Competition is competition, but after the competition, I have a big feedback in the back, a very great feeling, because this won't follow one ideal. See the music, listen the music, enjoy the music, and this is very great because that is the bridge to the final client, to the industries.